In this question, you are going to find area of a region bounded by a curve which lies to the right of the y-axis. In this example, you want to find area of the region bounded by y equal to 3 over x, y-axis, the line y equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So total there are actually 4 boundaries. Y equal to 3 over x, the y-axis, the line y equal to 1, the line y equal to 2. There are 4 boundaries. So first you draw the line, the curve y equal to 3 over x. 3 over x graph actually look like this. It's similar to 1 over x. So y equal to 3 over x graph. And then the line y equal to 1. So you draw y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 is this line. And y equal to 2 is this line. Y equal to 2, horizontal line. And the y-axis, so what you want is this region. There are 4 boundaries. The blue curve 3 over x. Then y equal to 1, y equal to 2, the y-axis. So what you want is to find this region. And it's to the right of the y-axis. Curve lies to the right of the y-axis. And to find this area, you can just integrate 1 to 2x dy. Since y is 3 over x, you can say x is 3 over y. Right? So that means you just integrate 1 to 2, 3 over y dy. So it's 3 integrate 3, you integrate 1 over y dy. 1 to 2. So it's 3 ln y 1 to 2. So it's 3 bracket ln 2 minus ln 1. And ln 1 happen to be 0. Ln 1 happen to be 0. So the answer is just 3 ln 2. So you just need to sketch a region and then you can find an answer. When the region is to the right of the y-axis, if you integrate x dy, you should expect to get a positive answer. Like what you have for the case when you do dx and the region is above the x-axis. When the region is above the x-axis, it's positive. When the region is to the right of the y-axis, if you do integrate x dy, you should get a positive answer. Later you shall see that if you have an area such that the region is to the left of the y-axis, and if you do integrate x dy, right, it will give you a negative answer. That's what I'm going to do in the next example.